back to my channel. My name is Michelle Murphy. I am the owner of Wilson Murphy Law and the CEO Legal Op, and I help business owners to legally protect their business as well as educate on how to run a business properly. Additionally, on my YouTube channel, you'll find that there are clothing hauls and fashion lookbooks because I am multi-passionate and I love fashion. Today, I'll be talking about 5 business tools to use to run your online business. I run an online business and I use these tools almost daily. If you like this type of video and want to see more content like this, make sure you like it. And if you want to be notified of every time I upload a new video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. So tool number 1 is a project management tool. I personally use Trello, but you'll just need a project management tool even if you're solo because it just keeps you super duper organized. Like I said, I use Trello, but there's also Notion, there's Asana, there's ClickUp. I've used ClickUp personally. I wasn't truly a fan. There's a lot of features, so it gets overwhelming, but I know a ton of business owners that just rave about it. But Trello, I'm gonna screenshot what it looks like over here, one of my boards. Trello is basically one board of to-do lists. And you put cards underneath each list and you can it just helps you stay on track. It's really simple, easy to look at, easy on the eyes. So I'll leave a link down below for Trello. It is free, but I'm still gonna use my referral link because I'll get like the business plan if I use my referral link. So what I use Trello for is my social media editorial calendar, my business blueprint, my goals. I have one with one of my accountability buddies. So you can really just use this board for whatever you want, personal finances, personal like grocery shopping, because you can collaborate with your husband or your wife, and you can just like during the, like if you see something is empty in the refrigerator, you can just add it to your Trello board or your grocery Trello board, and when you go to the store, it'll already be there. So yes, a project management tool is something that I use for my business every single day. Tool number 2 is Pixie Stock. If you are creating a lot of lead magnets, have a website, use social media to get a lot of your clients, then you'll want to use Pixie Stock. Pixie Stock is a membership that includes diverse photos for different types of business owner. The owner of Pixie Stock is Alicia, and she has pictures of just about everything that you need. She has moms, people doing different activities like fitness, people working at home. And she has all shades, all different types of races, ethnicities. So A1, but the best part of this membership is the content calendar. She has created this whole just aspect of her membership that is just how to create content. So she has social media prompts. She has these incredible engagement posts. She has carousel posts. Like these are just templates that you can plug in for your business. And it's beyond it. So like she has Pinterest pins, like just everything. I'm gonna go behind the scenes so that you can see what comes inside of the annual membership. And of course, I'll leave the link below so that you can sign up. I'll get a referral fee, but hands down, one of the best tools that I use in my business. And I use that content calendar in those engagement posts every week. Here's the inside of Pixie Stock. Here's some of the stock photos. You can choose a filter on the left in this area if you want to filter things out by colors, or you can go to browse all photos or their stock collections, and you have some more pictures. And like I said, it's super diverse, different types of women doing different types of things and all different types of races and ethnicities. And then let's go into the content calendar. So this is a content calendar, and she gives you different prompts. It's 18 months right now, from June 2020 to December 2021. You have the different holidays. She has content pillars, more prompts, the engagement graphics that I was telling you about, caption starters, hashtag ideas, quote list, word of the month / year. And then in here are all the different templates. So we have social quotes, stories, templates, engagement posts, carousel posts, highlight covers, IGTV and video. Then we have the Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, ebooks, build your own books, slide decks if you do a lot of slides, client onboarding guide, checklists, roadmaps, promo graphics, like just everything, mood boards, and so just so good. And let me show you some of these engagement posts. So we've been seeing this be a big change on social media, where you want people to engage and share, and this is a really easy way to do that, especially if you share a lot of educational content. And then let me show you the carousel post that I was talking about here. Again, more shareable content. You don't have to think of the design. All you have to do is plug and play. I am obsessed with all of this. Like, it makes just planning out my social media on the weekends that much easier. So if you're interested in Pixie Stock, I will again leave a link down below so you can enter the membership. Tool number 3 is a CRM software. That means customer relationship management software. And you'll mostly need this if you're more service-based and have a lot of projects. And I use Dubsado, but there are others out there. We have Honeybook, we have HubSpot, we have 52 Hats, there's Locus, Clio if you're a fellow attorney. And these just allows you to automate. So tasks that you're doing constantly for every client. So most of the time you're gonna have to send out invoices. You're gonna have to send out contracts. That type of stuff, you can just automate all of that, your onboarding, emails. And so in Dubsado, you can set up workflows for your projects, for the things that you do over and over again, like I said. I chose Dubsado because you can make things really beautiful and really pretty, but I will say the analytics are not that great. But if you're not a lawyer or you don't really care as much about the analytics, then I would choose Dubsado. Tool number 4 is the Facebook Creator Studio. I don't love Facebook in general because of their policies, but I do like their social media scheduler. It's free, whereas the other ones like Planoly, Preview, those, I think there's later, those, some have free plans, but if you want more access to features, you have to pay for them. But yeah, Facebook Creator Studio is so simple. Like I said, it's free, and you can also schedule not only your Facebook posts, but you can schedule Instagram posts too, and IGTVs. So with the feed posts, you can schedule your regular pictures, you can do carousel posts, you can do videos, and then you can also do IGTV. So yes, I highly recommend them, and who does not love a free tool? And lastly, I am going to plug in my own product, which is the CEO Legal Kit. And this is a starter guide for business owners who want to learn just a little bit more about the legal side of their business. And, you know, just making sure that they are in compliance with the law. And this guide helps you with making sure that you're not doing things illegally, even though you don't know that you're doing things illegally. So this kit includes subjects like how to prevent chargebacks, which business entity is best for you. It also has refund policy templates. It has a list of website disclaimers that you can use for your website to make sure that you are being protected and limiting liability for the visitors that come onto your site. The CEO Legal Kit has been used by over 5,000 people or business owners, so I think it's a pretty good tool, a pretty good guide, a pretty good comprehensive guide. It's simple and easy to understand. I wrote it in plain English, so yeah. I will obviously leave that down below for you to purchase if you are interested. And that is the 5 business tools that I use pretty much daily for my online business. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will talk to you next time. Bye.